If you want to replace your current antivirus with a different security program, you may need to uninstall the old one first to prevent conflicts. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide to removing an antivirus from Windows 11. Open Settings. Press Windows+I on your keyboard. This will open the Windows Settings window. Navigate to Installed Apps. In the left sidebar, click on Apps. On the right side, select Installed Apps. This will show a list of all programs installed on your system. Locate the antivirus software. Scroll down and look for your antivirus software. For example, Malwarebytes, Avast, McAfee, or Norton. If you have many apps installed, use the search bar at the top and type the antivirus name. Once you find the antivirus, click the 3 dots next to it. Select Uninstall from the drop-down menu. A confirmation box will appear. Click Uninstall again. Now follow the on-screen instructions. A new uninstallation window may open depending on the antivirus. Follow the instructions. Some antivirus programs ask if you want to keep some settings in case you reinstall. Select No if you want a complete removal. Some may ask you to enter a reason for uninstalling, which is optional. Click Next or Confirm or Submit to proceed. From there, wait for the process to complete. After uninstallation, Windows may ask you to restart your computer. If Windows does not prompt a restart, manually restart your PC. To verify the uninstallation, open Settings again. Press Windows+I. Go to Apps. Installed Apps. Search for the antivirus to confirm it's gone.